Abuja-based legal practitioner and human rights activist, Mr. Deji Adeyanju, civil rights lawyer and activist Deji Adeyanju has dismissed claims that ex-governor of Kaduna State, Nasir El-Rufai, was targeted for arrest at the airport, insisting the episode was exaggerated for public attention. Speaking on Friday during an interview with Arise News, Adeyanju reacted to El-Rufai's assertion that security operatives tried to detain him unlawfully at the Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport. File copy. Former Kaduna State Governor, Nasir El-Rufai, I am not convinced that there was any plan to arrest him. I'm not convinced from the clip, Adeyanju said. He described El-Rufai as someone who thrives on political theatrics. I think Malam Nasir El-Rufai, just like everyone who agrees with me, is always extremely sensational and is a drama artist as well. He's very good at this opposition thing. He knew what he was doing, and when he came very prepared for cameras. Adeyanju further rejected the claim that security agents attempted to detain the former governor without lawful authority. I think that they wanted to target his passport, and the DSS actually got his passport. I think that was what they wanted to get. Nobody planned to arrest him. If there was a plan to arrest him, for sure they would have arrested him, he said. He explained that arrests under Nigerian law require legal grounds. Even Malam Nasir El-Rufai, I believe he has read some of our extant laws. You can be arrested with probable cause. You can also be arrested with a warrant, he said. Offering what he called a free tutorial, Adeyanju elaborated on probable cause. Probable cause is a fundamental ground for arrest, and Malam Nasir El-Rufai is even very lucky that his passport was taken from him. Several of his critics didn't even get this kind of treatment, the kind of fantastic treatment that he got at the airport. Nonetheless, the activist emphasized that unlawful arrests would be unacceptable. If they had tried to do that, it's unlawful. It's unconstitutional. Of course I would condemn it. His rights must be respected. His rights must not be violated, but he must be investigated, he said. Adeyanju suggested that the passport seizure could have followed standard DSS procedures. I think Section 2 of the DSS Instrument Regulation, which is in compliance with the NSA Act, gives the DSS the power to seize someone's passport if your name is on the watch list, he said. Adeyanju argued that El-Rufai was aware of ongoing investigations by security and anti-corruption agencies. He has said that he knew that the security agencies were looking for him. He has admitted that he had written to the EFCC. He has also alluded to the fact that the ICPC is investigating him. So if these agencies were looking for you and you are aware, why are you creating the drama there? Adeyanju asked, referring to the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission and the Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences Commission. Beyond the airport episode, Adeyanju criticized El-Rufai's claim of political persecution as ironic. It is so ironic today that the oppressors of yesterday are now crying. They are now claiming to be emergency comrades, he said. He cited individuals he said were calling for accountability. Adeyanju said El-Rufai must submit to investigation. I am calling that he should be investigated. Some of his aides are already in custody. Some are standing trial. He cannot be the judge, jury and executioner. He should submit himself to investigation and probe, he said. He stressed that an investigation does not imply guilt. It is after the investigation is done, if there is a prima facie case, then he will be charged. Then he will have his day in court to defend himself. Meanwhile, El-Rufai, speaking on Arise News Channel on Friday evening, continued to allege that the National Security Advisor, Nuhu Ribadu, was directly involved in a directive that came to light through a tapped phone. El-Rufai claimed his associates intercepted communications linking Ribadu to a plan targeting him. Ribadu made the call because we listened to their calls. The government thinks that they're the only ones that listen to calls. But we also have our ways. He made the call. He gave the order that they should arrest me, El-Rufai said. However, El-Rufai disclosed this in a post on his official X, formerly Twitter, handle on Friday, that he would present himself at the ICPC office as scheduled. Yesterday, after the futile attempt to abduct me, the ICPC delivered a letter to invite me to their office. My lawyer has written to confirm that I will be attending the ICPC office on Wednesday, the 18th of February 2026, he wrote.